All right. On to the next. On to the next. Come on, bro. Okay. Shit,
Head
wrong
east
way.
on West 45th Place toward J Street.
Sorry.
In 500 feet, turn left onto J Street. Turn left onto J Street, then turn right onto West 46th Avenue.
Left and right. Chat GPT again. Read it to me, chat.
All right, let's build you a savage bootyism basketball
Turn right
basketball
onto West
watch party
46th Avenue.
setup that claps harder than Gay Chan's keyboard during a troll spree. Here's how to do it. 1. Stream title ideas, clickbait but classy-ish. Live, Nuggets
In
versus
600
Thunder watch
feet,
party.
turn
Jokic
right
about
onto
to
North
cook again.
Harlan Street.
Bootyism watch party, Thunder getting clapped or nah. No tip, I sip. NBA watch party, game 2 live stream reaction.
Okay.
2. On-screen same layout, no copyright.
Turn
Your
right
face
onto
cam
North
large and
Harlan
centered or off to
Street.
the side. A scoreboard overlay. I can help you set this up manually. Chat box on screen. Encourage roasting and play-by-plays. Segment breakdown for the
Continue
stream.
on North Harlan Street for
Pre-game,
3/4 of a
30 minutes
mile.
before tip-off. Hype it up. Talk predictions, spreads, fan hot takes. Bootyism blessings.
Oh, shit.
Let us pray Jokic gets 30 plus tonight. Troll warm-up. Roast fake Gay Chan names live game time. React to every big moment. Slam dunks, missed free throws, bad calls. Let chat vote. MVP of each quarter, worst flopper, best trash talk. Mini games. Sip every time SGA scores, or eat if Jokic throws a no-look dime. Halftime show. Content moment. Answer fan questions. Take mini shots for super chats. Halftime food segment. Booty blessings. Mukbang.
Booty blessing.
Play a short clip meme montage you made earlier. If you want help with that, I can write a script too. Post-game wrap-up. Gay Chan Player of the Game Award. Shout out super chatters and top roasters. Plug your next stream. Next up, sleeping stream with Nuggets Dreams.
Ooh.
4. Promotion. Pre-game hype. Post on YouTube community tab. Going live for Nuggets versus Thunder. Come talk trash and sip with me. TikTok shorts. Do a 15-sec teaser. Wear the no tip I sip shirt. Talk game
In
predictions and
1,000
tell
feet,
trolls to
turn
pull
right
up.
onto West 38th
Instagram
Avenue.
story or X Twitter.
Nice.
Drop countdown links and tag at NBA or team pages to boost visibility.
Nice.
5. Optional add-ons. Polls in chat. Who's the softest player tonight? Chat commands. Sip for drink counter or bootyism for cult commandments. Invite guests via Discord or StreamYard. Get a buddy on stream for banter. Want me to mock up an overlay or
At
write
the
a
light,
15-second
turn right onto
TikTok
West
promo
38th
script for you
Avenue,
too?
then turn left.
Alright. She got it all covered, huh? Who needs a fucking manager? $20 a month should take care of everything, bro. Just got execute it, that's all. $20 a month, my good chat got takes care of me. Very detailed, right? Shit. I